Ekehan Think Tank Association for Ekehan Community, wey dey for Okpebholo local government area of Edo State, don show better appreciation to Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo for the appointment of their pikin, Honourable Chief Lucky Azaguma, as the Director General of Edo State Migration Agency, EDMA. For the colourful celebration wey dem do for Okpebholo, the whole community full with plenty cultural display, including Ekpo dance troupe, Ekpo display, and other jollification to take welcome and honour their pikin new appointment. The group won carry special gifts give Honourable Lucky Azaguma. As he talk with journalists for the event, Honourable Chief Lucky Azaguma come show him heartfelt appreciation to him people for the honour wey dem give am.
I am so honoured today to have my elderly statesman, my family honouring me today. They're so happy, and they equally thank Mr. Governor for finding me worthy to serve in his regime.
The big events no end for there, as plenty community leaders, cultural groups, and well-wishers join body for the celebration, show support and unity for Azaguma. From Okpebholo local government area of Edo State, Choice Ebuwa, they give una this story for GTV Nigeria.